Hey, what's up, gang? 9:30. What a morning it has been so far. Sorry about yesterday. Obviously, yesterday I was absurdly early, um, helping out my buddy build and install an 18-foot by 8 fireplace, which is very interesting, man, because he's got a big home. He has like I don't know 20, I guess 20, well 18-foot ceilings. That makes sense, right? Because an 18 by 8. So we're on a huge thing of scaffolding and everything else. Man, sorry, there's construction going on. My wife just got home. Dogs are crazy. It's a little crazy right now. Trump is speaking right now. That's why, guys, come on. Trump is speaking right now. So that's obviously bananas. Oh, landscapers are here. Yeah, sorry about that. My God. So unfortunately, again, going to be a quicker stream. Got to log off at 10:30, which will probably be my schedule going forward for the next quite a few days here. Shoot, what even is today? Today's Wednesday. Tomorrow. Oh, God. Again, discombobulated week, but we're supposed to be doing the co-host stream with Trading Cowboy tomorrow. So I need to reach out to him, see how he's feeling about that, see if he still wants to do it. It's obviously a shortened time frame. But yeah, man. So it could be great. Alright, so here we are, 9:31. We ripped up 200 points ever since Trump started speaking. From the 25,050s up to the 25,257s. We just had a real good retracement down to VWAP. Real good reaction off VWAP as well. So trying to give it a second longer here because, again, it's early for me. I try to wait at least for the first 5 minutes. Especially, again, volatility here, right? So we went up 250 since Trump started speaking, and now has fallen 100. Let's see what everybody else is doing. So ES, same thing, popped up, curling down a little bit. Qs have a gap to the downside. Nvidia has a gap to the downside. IWM has a gap to the downside as well. Hey, Trading Cowboy, what's up, big dog? I was just talking about you too, man. Man, I'm just sorry. Discombobulated week this week. Martin Luther King, obviously, day on Monday. Hey, what's up, Miguel? And then, unfortunately, helping out my buddy with his building his fireplace here, which is taking a lot of time. So I'm going to be quick for the next, I don't even know, man. It might take us 2 weeks to build this stupid thing. So I might only be streaming until about 10:30 each day, but we'll feel it out as best we can. But yeah, man, Trading Cowboy. I know it's kind of crazy. It's already Wednesday. If you wanna try to do the co-stream tomorrow, still, let me know. But yeah, I think it would be really fun. Man, you guys saw D-Money getting that G-Wagon. My goodness, man. What a car. And man, again, just friggin' kicking myself. I wish I had just been a complete different level when I went on that show. Not to say I'd be driving a G-Wagon right now, but certainly an opportunity, could have been explored a little bit more. Alright, Trading Cowboy, I'm guessing yeehaw means let's do it. So hopefully you're still on, man. And again, sorry, discombobulated because of the fireplace thing. I'll probably send you some messages at maybe 6 o'clock tonight. If you want to do a little trial run tonight, we can do that around 7, 8-ish or something. Otherwise, hop on early tomorrow, but I'll message you later, bud, and we'll get into it. Alright, so not looking honestly great right now. This is our 1 minute, forming a little bit of a bear flag here. Real strong selling pressure wicks down, but we have formed a little, formed potentially a low here, so we got to see. Hey, driving obsession. What's up, man? What's up, buddies? It's beautiful. We coming for all them goodies at the sink or swim. Shoo. Man, so teasing us. I'm almost considering actually entering an longy here. But we've been making lows, lows, lows. You know, lower high, lower high. So again, trying to be patient. But on the 1 minute, it is starting to look kind of juicy, I guess. But we'll see. It's either going to be a bear flag playing out, or we're going to respect that little low bump. Nope, we're coming down. Greg, we're going to have to copy trade 20 accounts with Apex. Man, I'm thinking about it. That's probably going to be my next thing sooner than later, you know. I've never copy traded before. Not that I'm going to do 20, but... And I almost think I'm going to toy with the idea of doing 25Ks. You know, doing 25Ks, linking at least, you know, 5 or 10 of them together. And then only doing probably like 2 contracts, just 2 micros. That's it, 2 micros per trade. But then it's compounded over the 5 accounts, you know, or the 10 accounts. So it's either you're doing like a, you know, basically the equivalent of a mini or whatever. But yeah, man, a couple points a day on 25Ks, you might be able to pass them in just a week. You just have a string of real good reaction back up. Came back up to that body right there. Man, I guess I kind of really wanted to see it break 195, but then we're right there at the 200s. 20 points a day keeps the 9 to 5 away. Jose, I love it, man. I agree. You know? That's what that one guy was saying too. Ooh, here we go. We are still popping up, so we're gonna try
order filled
a little longy to see if we can't target. Whoops, whoops, whoops. Come on, man. We had a nice solid pop right away, but we needed to push a little bit more. Ah, shoot. Come on. Come on. Let's see the push. Man, it just really just needs to break this wick right here at 223. Of course. Man, it was right there too. SPX is going back up though. Looks like we're gonna get a push. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Man, this volatility is a little nuts, isn't it? We got 10 seconds left before our 940 candle. Well, shoot. I mean, we have, oh, fuck. I was going to say we have VWAP here. Man, I should have managed my stops better. I didn't even actually put any stops in yet.
order filled
shoot. Well, there you go. Trump's talking. Yipes. Let's go. I'm in too. Man, but shoo. I don't get it. Shoot, we were up 20 points on this trade too. Now look at it. Way down. Hopefully there's a double bottom on the 1 minute and that'll pop us back up. Yeah, shit. We're underneath the bottom side of ORB now, which isn't great. There we go. Come on. I'm gonna start trailing this stuff. Ah, shoot! It didn't even take it. AAA setup right now says good news. Short phase news pump after confirmation. We do not short blindly. We wait for the pump to show exhaustion. Entry trigger. If Amity breaks, yeah, he's saying if it breaks below 140, shorts are in play. Says good news. Man, trailing this stop. No friggin' way. Are we back to green on
Stop
this
filled.
trade? No
Stop
friggin'
filled.
way. Did we just go green on this trade? Dude, no friggin' way. Look at that. We're down. We're
Stop filled.
Man. Shoo. We were down. What was the drawdown on that? We were down like 600 bucks. Now we're down 11 bucks. I think we gotta wait for a sec. Son of a gun. Yeah, man. Lucky Trump still. I don't know. The Trump volatility is just insane sometimes. I mean, these are. Well, right now I'm on the 5 minute. But still, the 5 minute range is insane. The 1 minute range, 160 to 203. You know, we're getting 50.1 minute candles here. Damn. All right. Well then. Once he is done, sell, sell, sell. I mean, shoot, man, you might be right. I mean, on the this is the 5 minute. It is forming. I guess this is pre-market though. But that is forming a really nice bull flag, right? And now we have this really nice, you know, pin bar bullish candle going up. This dude's talking about pirates now. Trump's talking about pirates. Remember I told Josh that I'll meet him at 11 from now on. Yeah. So I can hang out with my friends. I don't want to miss my friends. Oh, sorry. Oh yeah, that's true. Sorry. Well, thank you. They were fishing. There was no drugs. They were just fishing some white lobsters. So above VWAP, EMAs are curling up. Trump's still speaking. We are holding the 200s. Sure. Hash browns? Oh, not chicken. Oh. Love you. I like your tush. I mean, if we break 220, we might have a pump back up to 260s, which we're thinking about doing. There we go.
Order filled.
Whoa, why is that so loud? Order filled. Going super light, guys. Going super light right now. We're just seeing if we can poke it up. Oops. There we go. Just doing one. Just doing one because Trump is a nutball right now. We don't know what's going to come out of his mouth. And I kind of agree. This could definitely be a rug pull type day because we have pumped so much now. Man, what a quick day too. You got to be quick with your quick with profits. We got 1 minute left before our new 5 minutes. Yeah, big dog. Hey. What?
Whoa, wait, one of the plants is spinning.
One of the plants is spinning?
Come on, you gotta see what's one.
Which one is it?
I'll bring it over here, okay?
Okay. Just don't hurt it. Come on, let's break it this time. There we go.
Spinning.
Order filled.
Spins and spins?
Yeah. I got some metal.
All right, boys. Woo! $15. Ew! What a day. What a day. A little succulent. A little spinning succulent for you guys.
I wonder how it spins.
Yeah, well, it's just not in there super strong. That's how we do it.
Dad.
I mean, it's a little poke, you know? It's a little poke.
Dad, if we spin it, the plant comes off. See?
Alright, let's leave it in there.
Yeah.
Yikes. 43, 53.
All right, guys. So
Oh, that was the end of the speech. Speech is over. Speech is over.
Bitcoin originally went up when he started speaking.
Well, shoot. Let's see what the heck happens then. The bull flagged, that's for sure. We have a full... This is the 5-minute chart. So this is a 5-minute candle closure above our opening range, you know, 5-minute. Is it Mama right there? Alright, we'll just wait for Mama a sec. Still trying to push a little. I mean, now I'd love a little retest right here. I would love a 235 retest. But it seems like it just wants to rip right to 300s right now.
I think I need some help with you because I don't know if I push the big button.
You push this button.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wait, can you move it? Bad boy! He moved it. I know. But dogs can eat it.
Up to 287. Still stinking going. ES is still stinking going. Hate to chase it, but it seems like we're just stinking going. I guess at this point you'd want a 251 retest. Yeah, like a 256. Well, really 250. Get a 250 retest. And then maybe. Hey, morning, Marco. What's up, man? How we doing today? Hi, puppy. Hello. Hello. Still pushing, still pushing, still pushing, still pushing. My goodness, no quit inner. Well, there's our 300 target. What the heck would the next one be? I mean, all the way up here at the 400s. What would be... I mean, break 300s, break 307s, 320s, 340s. Only Trump and Jerome can move the market this way. I know it, man. And that's what I was saying, you know, a couple streams ago, too, is how insane is that going to be, not having Jerome Powell anymore? You know, I mean, I highly doubt he's going to get reelected in May, right? His term's up in May, and just because of all the Trump kind of pushing him out and stuff like that. Though you never know. I mean, you never know. Because it sounded like Jerome's interested in staying if he can. Shoot, man, we're still pushing. Ready to head out on vacation for a golf trip? Heck yeah, man. That's beautiful. Now, are you one of those people, do you ever take your phone out? Do you trade on the course, or do you only trade on your computer? Are you sneaking a little trade? Hole 6. Hole 6, the market looks juicy. I only trade at home. Yeah, smart, man. Oh, still pushing, still pushing, still pushing. No quit inner. Man, I don't want to like FOMO this trade, but...
Order filled.
Log in on some evals. Might as well, dude, because you never know. Could even pay for the whole trip, you know? Yeah, so we got to break. We really got to break like 313s, 308s first, then like 313s. Oh, shoot. Sorry. I'm not even showing you guys. Oh, wow. And we're ripping. Move that stop really quick. My God, the screen is just messed
Stop
up.
filled.
Sorry, everything was just freezing on me. Freezing. That was annoying. So yeah, I just squeezed out a 13-pointer real quick. But it still seems like it just wants to keep pumping. I had a target here at 335. And then obviously 400s. I mean, what are you guys thinking? Is today just going to be a crazy rip day? Just buy and forget? It literally seems like 400s is a potential. Might keep ripping. Yeah. At the moment, it definitely seems like it. That was my 330 target that I originally had. I mean, this is definitely a strong point here, you know. There's been a lot of resistance, but then a decent little amount of support, too. But we've now ripped up 300 points. Our new 1 hour is in 40 seconds. Look at that candle. $362 seems very reasonable now too. Alright, good news. Let's see. What makes this A? Huge displacement upbreak of market structure. First pullback into premium. Discount zone. VMA reclaimed reaction candle shows buyers still engaged. This is the first true bullish setup. Invalidation. If price closes below 225, long buy is canceled. Back to bearish continuation. 225. So your stop would be 225 is what good news is saying, which is a 300-point stop. Long retracement entry 245. Target 290, 310, 330. So good news is hoping for a little retracement here, all the way down to potentially the 212, potentially down to like the 255s. Where's 255 at? Man, so that would be just a little bit below. Actually, just right above our EMA then, basically. If we get a bull flag, I would target 360s. The A plus setup. So what are you running that through? Good news. Is that through like chat or obviously some type of AI generation thing? We're definitely getting a bull flag on the 1 minute right now. Oh shoot, man, I've been terrible with the screens lately. Definitely getting a bull flag right there. 75, 30. It's a 60-point stop even for 275 though. $308. ES is still just ripping though. It's an AI you built? No way, dude. I've been talking about that to my buddy too, saying like that'll be the next big thing, you know? Like I started doing that even 4 months ago. I was taking photos of the Lux Algo suite actually with all of its indicators. I'm like, make sense of this. What direction is it going? And it did give me a lot of confidence in some of my trades. So I was like, man, this will be the next big thing is AI integration into like Tradeovate, you know, or is basically as an indicator. And I have it to keep learning from mistakes, etc. Did not lose a single trade today. Heck yeah, man. Well, shoot, let's get that get that indicator on the Sink or Swim network, bud, and then we can start marketing it. I'll partner with you. I'll partner with you and your AI. Man, that seems just hard to believe, doesn't it, right now? That we're sinking to 257, but man, how pissed would I be if I entered a trade right now with the long bias and it comes down to 257? Look at that. Your green new rule is to never overtrade. Out for the day. Yeah, but man, with this new AI thing, you should, you know, switch back to a demo. Do a little sandbox mode. You know, so then you don't, you know, you'll be completely emotionless, right? You won't accidentally sway results or anything like that. And keeping in mind, guys, too, with the fireplace I'm helping with my buddy with, I do have to leave at 10:30. So we got about 25 more minutes. So hopefully we can do something in the next 25. At the moment, we're still just kind of stalling out here on the 1 minute, though. But yeah, good news. If you're still here, thanks for hanging out with me, man. Well, us. Thanks for hanging out with us, sir. We thoroughly appreciate you, your input, and yeah. Watch this thing come down to 255. I'm about to die. Yeah, I mean, the EMA on the 5 minute is 264 at the moment. We're definitely kind of curling down here. Man, still blown away about funding ticks as well. I thought they were one of the big ones, you know? So just crazy to see what could potentially happen with prop firms. I wish I could see the economics behind it. Like, I would love to see the economics of Patrick's crypto one, for example. Because he's showing screenshots of big payouts already, but presumably, you know, you've gotten a lot of membership fees already as well. But yeah, bananas to see. So got to kind of break this range here, like the 240, 342s. I know, right? Yeah, man. It would be really interesting to see. I love numbers like that. Just because I have ADD brain today too, it just popped into my head. There's a silly similarity. Whenever I go to Disney, I always wonder that as well. I'm like, man, I would love to see like what their electric bill is for just like one park for one day. And I gotta imagine it's insane, you know. It's gotta be like a couple $100,000 electric bill, or maybe it's $1 million electric bill. I have no idea, but that's gotta be crazy to see. I mean, having some pop-ups, but still showing some weakness as well. It'll be interesting if it breaks 311. I mean, we do have a nice little imbalance right here. But we have a couple imbalances. There's like rows of imbalances all the way down. If it breaks 311, I actually might tease a short instead, even though, I mean, we are above VWAP. We do have EMAs pointing up. Reaction on Nvidia. Yeah, we didn't even fill the gap on Nvidia yet either. Same thing. We're just looking a little weak. I mean, it is bull flag, but still looking weak. Yeah, bull flags pay, he says. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. So here's our new 5-minute. Oh, it's breaking. It actually is breaking.
Order filled.
I think I am. Hopefully it's not silly. Ah, it's going to be silly, isn't it? Yeah, I shouldn't have just jumped. If it goes down to 300 and reacts, Marco is going to go long. Yeah, and I'm going to be smart with my stops here, too. Took 2 of them
Order
out
filled.
already. Whoops, whoops, whoops. Come on.
Stop filled.
Another 2 is out. Let's put our last stop in. Whoops. And we'll see if we can't target a little bit lower. Let's see if we can get this 75 hit. But I agree, we might get a strong reaction off the threes. Let me move this down a little bit just so I got the covered my fee, you know, so 5-point stop. Still reacting to the threes. It really needs to break the threes. It needs to break the no, wicked out.
Stop filled.
All right, that's all right, gang. Up 113 on the day. Whew. So I don't know, man. That would be the interesting concept, though. Again, if you had, you know, 5 25K Apex accounts, you know, then it's you're getting there quicker, you know, with smaller risks each time. Great short. Thanks, Marco. Hey, I appreciate that, man. Small retest buy. I think we need to see 290 at least as trading cowboy. Yeah, we're at 2. We tapped 293. $10.12. Got close. Yeah, really stinking close, man. Really stinking close. Our average candle range is still 20 points. It's not bad. Ooh. But real volatile. Marco, did you take that long ski? That long at that 300 has been good play. And honestly, the safer play than me trying to take a short, too, if I'm being honest, because I'm going against grain direction and everything. So that probably would have been the smarter move. Wait until it came down to 3 and then taking the long. We're learning, gang. We're learning together. Still waiting. So Q's did fill their gap. Just kind of going back through and looking now. ES still hasn't really broken its support. It's still kind of looking like a bull flag. Man, I still can't believe that first trade today. Babe, my very first trade, because Trump was talking, is super volatile. And I didn't sell it, but at the time, it went down like $600 or $650 on just the one trade. And then I held it, and then it came all the way back up to I closed it out at -11.
So you lost $11.
Uh-huh. And now I'm up 113.
Oh, wow.
So like if I had done that trade correctly, we could pretend we're up like 700. You know. Hey, fuck you.
Mama uses real money to buy food.
Oh, yeah. Looking pretty darn bullish as it sinks like a rock. The only thing I didn't like is we didn't actually tap like the EMA on the 5. Like a 275 would have been a little bit better. Right trade, just wrong way. Exactly. Exactly. We pushed the button at the right time. It was just in the wrong direction, you know? So it's progress. Oh yeah, still looking real nice and bullish. Bullish. Bull flag playing, bull flag playing. Test it with
Order filled.
so we don't screw up the day. Oh, oh, look at that reaction up to 350, and I just put my target at 356. I just barely missed it. Oh, and then I always get so nervous when we get giant wicks like this, because sometimes it's not continuation. Sometimes it just goes in the opposite direction. Man, what a friggin' missed it by 5 points. That quick little reaction. That would have been a 20-pointer. Shoot. Still, it shows we do have the you know, kind of force behind us. Hopefully, we get the continuation. Man, there we go. All right, trail to stop just because we're real volatile right now. There we go.
Stop filled.
Shoo! I can't believe that little pop up there. Yeah, I definitely could have held it, huh? I just got a little nervous with that giant wick. Giant little wickety wick. We're up 133 now. What do we actually get out of that? Just 10 points? 11 points? Yeah. Shoot, there we go. Just pushed to 370. Dang, guys. I got out way early. Yeah, man. Real good bull flag, right? Got filled at 369. Nice, man. Like you got out at 369 or you entered at 369? Oh, nice, dude. Nice trade. Nice trade. Nice, dude. Hell yeah. Alright, so getting a little reaction back down, back to the 360s here. When I see the 1 minute chart with all these wicks, I get excited, Marco says. Getting all wickety wicks. Still curling down a little bit. Trying to form another little bear or another bull flag. Trying to form another little bull flag on the 1 minute. Which we retested the EMA here. We retested our little yellow line at 335. That's where we were stuck for a little bit. When I come out in February, I'll tell you my philosophy about trading the 1 minute price action. Hell yeah, dude. I'm looking forward to that trip. We're going to have some fun. That'll be good. Excited to trade with you. Let's see, that 1 minute is starting to get potentially invalidated. Yeah, my boat's getting all tuned up and everything right now too. It has 400 hours on it, just hit 400 hours. So they're doing oil change and impellers and blah 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 blah. And then there was a couple seats that were under warranty. The throttle was under warranty. One of my bilges under warranty. So everything will be perfect. We'll do some rips. I mean, if it breaks 358, we might get the momentum and push to continue going north. Doji. 10:20 on the clock. I gotta watch the clock. Ugh, man, which I've never been up on. I was up on 20 feet of scaffolding yesterday. Put the scaffolding together. We actually framed out the fireplace already, but 20 feet in the air, which I'm not, afraid of heights or anything like that, but scaffolding is really rickety, man. I can't believe how rickety that thing actually is. Man, breaking. We bounced off that 21 EMA, so maybe we'll bounce off that again. which is right here, 323. It's dancing on it. Dancing on it. What time is it? 10:21. Scaffolding is better than ladders. Yeah, man. I do agree to that. And I mean, once we're up there, you know. Just my biggest gripe, though, would be, I guess, the scaffolding he has is the center sections. There was like 3 or 4 center sections, you know, to get to the very top. Only the very top one had the middle center section where you could actually open it and like crawl directly up. So the rest of the time, we're crawling up the outside of the scaffolding, you know, climbing up it the whole time. 21 held nice before, and it's holding nice right now. We're right back at the EMA here. Here's our brand new 1-minute candle. If it can push above the previous, if it can break above 337, then that would be a real easy stop. You just put the stop at 320 basically. 17-point stop and see if she rips, but still making new lows at the moment. But over here, it tested it 4 times before it popped. So maybe same thing. 1, 2, 3. Getting real nice wicks and bodies on the upside. Oh, yeah.
Order filled.
Real wiki. Wiki. It's got to push up to like 354 and then break that. There we go. Starting to trail it.
Stop filled.
Trailed it way the hell too tight. It's alright though, gang. It's not a terrible day. $150 day. I think we're going to call it there. 1023. Yeah. Keeps me from making a mistake. Otherwise, what'll happen is if I make a red trade right now, we're not leaving at 10:30. You know how that goes. But that definitely looks like, yeah, look at that beautiful bull flag now playing out again. Look at that. Beautiful bull flag. Yep, still poking. It's going to go back up to the top. All right.
Order filled.
Fucking watch. Watch it comes all the way down. Watch it comes all the way down right now. Oh, Greg. I mean, it is pushing, so it should. But, man, I shouldn't have done it just because I got to go. You know? Always one more. Oh, Greg. No, Greg. I know, man. I know. I know. We got a new 5-minute candle right here. Come on, give me a little bit better of a wick so we can get out of it. All right, we're out. We're out.
Order
We're
filled.
done for the day. You silly guys. All right. So, Trading Cowboy. I'll send you a message at maybe 6 o'clock tonight. I know it's going to be kind of late and short notice, but I'll send you a message around like 6:30. All right, let's be realistic. I don't know, man. 6:37. Send you a message. If you want to try to do something tonight, we definitely can. Maybe like 7:30 or 8ish, if that's not too late for you. What are you talking about? 7:30?
Have you looked at your calendar?
No, I haven't. What are we doing?
Your son has baseball evals tonight at 7.
Oh, fuck yeah. We have baseball evals. Sorry, man.
Not practice with him.
Okay. So we have baseball evals tonight at 7. What time are we going to be home? I'll send you a message regardless, and we'll figure it out. Maybe we can do something a little bit later. If not, we'll just do a quick little trial run early tomorrow morning, like 8:30 or something like that. But it'll work perfect. I already figured it out. I did it with my wife once, so we'll be great. But yeah, so guys, tomorrow we're going to have Trading Cowboy co-host the stream with me. Yay! So super excited, man. Obviously, he has, not obviously, but he has his own channel if you click on it. He's starting to get some subscribers, and he has some really good trades on there as well. So hopefully we'll, get some of his knowledge imparted on this, and, rising tides rise the ships together, and blah, 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 blah. All right, love you guys to death. It's going to be awesome. Can't wait. We'll see you tomorrow. Stay green, and keep rocking and rolling.